What I got here is a working soldering iron, but the soldering tip is broken off and I can't really get it out. Tried to take the screw out, the screw broke. So I'm going to, I've got it plugged in right now. Oh, it's warm. Oh, on a cold day, oh, feels so good. Yeah. Gotta try and repair this. I'm gonna start by taking this off, and I've never taken one of these apart before, so I really don't know what it's gonna be like. But let's start with a couple of screws here. If I can fix this, it'll be good. But I need it. Like I needed it yesterday. There's two wires coming out of it. There's the heater. The heater's there, and it's this tip that I have to get access to. So, and the heaters are connected to it. Hopefully it's cooled down enough I can actually work with it. It still feels some heat, but I don't think it's enough to burn me. I'm gonna have to take the whole damn thing apart today, so can't be that tough because it's no trigger on it. It's either always on or always off. Wow. You ever wonder how these things are put together? That's all it is. Freaking wire. Right in here there was a screw. The screw actually broke. So I'm going to try and drill that one out. Now, I'm putting it on a vice grip like this so that I can lay it flat on the drill press. Drill press is the best way to go with something like this because it's so hard to hold both the part and a hand drill. So I'm going to set this over here on the drill. I can see the hole. I don't know if you can. Not that that's going to help me. Because now what I've got is I've got the rod still stuck in there. So let's try and drill that out. That one was a bigger diameter. I'm gonna go with that. Having fun with this one because, like I said, 90% of what I do here I've never done before, and that's what makes it fun. Well, that's okay. Now, what I want to do now is set the height of my drill so that I don't go too deep, which is there, as deep as I want to go. So we'll keep it at that height. Let's center this here a bit. Great, now I'm not going to go too deep, I don't think. So either I ruined it or I fixed it. Okay. So before I do anything else, I'm going to plug this back in to make sure it's still heating up. And if it doesn't heat up, then there's no point, right? Yeah, that's hot. So I'm going to reassemble it. Oh, man, it's cold. I love taking things apart to see how it works. If I'm lucky, I can fix it. If not, at least I've learned something. I learned that these things are like, there's nothing to them. But if you like this stuff, then give me a like and subscribe. Got it back together. And what I'm gonna do is I've got this small little tap. I'm actually gonna thread it this. Be careful not to force this, because I don't want to break it off in there, and then I'm back to the same thing that I was before. Got some threads in there, so I'm gonna go look in my supply and see if I can find a good sized bowl. It's the same thread as this. So what I found is a screw. Feels kind of loose, but let's see if it'll tighten up. It looks like it's gonna work. I'm thinking if pop a rivet in there, it just might do the trick. Means I have to drill right through. Yay! We're having way too much fun at this today. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna. Well, sometimes this stuff happens too. I wasn't able to go straight through, so let's change the bits. If I go through them like crazy. That's a ticket, eh? Let's put a pop rivet in there. That's going to keep it secure. Okay, that looks pretty good and secure. What am I going to do next? I'm going to heat it up, see if it still works. It still heats up. Good stuff. All right. If you guys didn't see how I did this, you should check this out. In one of my previous videos, I took my angle grinder that I mounted. Check out my video on making a bench grinder out of an angle grinder. You'll find it entertaining. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut it down, and so now I'm just going to grind a point on it. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so I'm going to plug this back in, heat it up, and we're going to see if I haven't damaged it so much that it's not going to work. If I can get the solder to melt, I'll be a happy man. Heat up, you little bastard. I found that the screw that I was using was the gold alloy, whatever the heck stupid thing it was. It doesn't transfer heat very well. So I found myself a brass screw, and wouldn't you know it, brass screw works like a charm. Transfers enough heat, and the solder up just fine. So it picks up the solder, which is good. We're going to get a wire here, and we're going to see if we can't solder a couple of pieces together here. There they are, boys and girls. I was able to fix my soldering gun. Awesome. Replace the tip with a brass bolt. Bob your uncle. There we go. Nicely done. Okay. I can just stay right there. My day's done. That's it. That's it. Have coffee.